Hi everyone, my name is Bernadette and today we're going to talk about hands-on learning at Charles Sturt University. I've got with me today one of our wonderful students, Gabby.
Yeah, hi everyone. So my name's Gabby. I'm currently studying a Masters of Communication and I just graduated from my Bachelor of Creative Arts and Design in graphic design.
Fantastic. So why Charles Sturt University? One of the main reasons we think you might consider it is because we do have so much hands-on learning. You can do that in your degree from the day you start right through to when you finish. And that happens in all different ways, through practical experiences in class, through internships and work placements, and through experiences that might be field trips and things like that. So one of the reasons we think that hands-on learning is a benefit is that it does help you when you get out and get a job. And Charles Sturt University is the #1 university for graduate employment at the end of the degree that you finish. So we are sitting there, #1, our graduates are getting the jobs when they finish. It's a fantastic stat, we're really proud of it, and we do think that this hands-on learning is one of the main aspects that helps lead to that. So Gabby, in your degree, were you getting hands-on from day one?
Yeah, definitely. So I remember walking into the classroom on day one and my lecturer had paints everywhere, different creative things and everything. And it was really nice to see that from day one, our course was really hands-on. And it's nice to get that practical element because reading from a textbook is not everybody's style.
Fantastic. And on top of the hands-on that you're getting in the class, have you had any opportunity sort of more in industry and getting out into the field that you'd hope to work in once you finish the degree?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, each degree is different, but I know for me, I've done tons of stuff around the community. We're really encouraged with our assessments to do sort of real life community-based projects, to seek real life clients as well. So I did some work for my local council and I designed a billboard. And I also did some internships with some local businesses as well, which was really handy for getting some experience.
Fantastic. And so you've got lots of friends, obviously, at university doing all sorts of different degrees. Do you see them getting hands-on, and then where do you see that? What's it look like?
Yeah, it's so interesting to see the diverse range of practical learning at Charles Sturt University. For example, you see the paramedics up in their simulation labs, working with the test dummies and doing simulation rescues. Seeing the exercise and sports students doing, runs or the beat test. And then seeing like the enviro students going out paddleboarding, for example, is really interesting to see the range of practical learning that Charles Sturt offers.
Yeah, it's incredible, and depending on what campus you're on, you're going to be seeing different courses and different facilities and different hands-on experiences. So some of our campuses have working farms, they have vet clinics, we've got an advertising company, we've got working radio stations, TV studios, we've got simulations for all of our health from occupational therapy, nursing, medicine. Our physios get hands-on with their patients from day one, and it's a way to really test out your career. Get to know what it's going to be like to really do this degree. So you're learning the theory and the practice at the same time. It's a fantastic way to learn, and we think it's a really good reason to come to Charles Sturt. Now today you might like to also leave us here and go and explore our website. So there's some great links here that you might jump onto, and you can check out our courses, or you might pop into one of our other short videos, watch something on accommodation or a particular course you're interested in. We'd love you to do that, and hopefully one day we'll see you here at Charles Sturt University. Bye for now.